There are various of food in the market that require the interference of microorganisms. For example, ketchup, soy product, vitagens, and cheese.
What I know about cheese, I think I'm a little bit skeptical about cheese because I'm not a big fan of cheese. But I do know some cheese, for example, like blue cheese, Swiss cheese, cheddar, and whatnot.
What I know about cheese is one of the source of fat.
Okay, cheese ni apa yang saya tahu ada makanan lah. Lepas tu banyaklah produk minyak cheese.
From my own knowledge about cheese, cheese is a type of food that we add to the main course of food. So it is not just a food that we took in a large amount. It is just an additional to the original food.
When it comes into microbes or bacteria in cheese, I have no idea because I'm not from micro faculty and whatnot.
I don't know how cheese is being processed, but it must be related to some of microbes used to produce that product.
Microbe, memang ada microbe tapi saya tak tahu apa microbe apa dalam. Itu je.
From my opinion, cheese is made by the help of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. But to be honest, I did not know the specific species of the microbe used.
Cheese is one of the most preferred traditional food, especially in the West and in the Middle Eastern countries. In Malaysia, although it was pioneered by the Indians, it is becoming popular, especially among children and teenagers, because they love cheese. The basic principles involved in cheese manufacture have remained the same over 1,000 years. It used dairy product, especially cow and goat milk. To make cheese, the milk usually undergo pasteurization process to kill any harmful bacteria that may present. Then starter cultures of special bacteria such as Lactococcus species or fungal are added. This microorganism will make the milk ripen and help to develop the flavors and aromas. Different type of microbes will produce different type of cheese. The most commonly started culture type used is Lactococcus lactis. They assist coagulation by lowering the pH before rennet is added. Meanwhile, Lactobacillus casei is used as adjunct culture to provide or enhance the characteristic flavors and texture of cheese. This bacterium produces an enzyme that can degrade lactose to lactic acid, which causes the milk to form curd. Then the curd is compressed and become the cheese after maturation process. The cheese contains nutrients that similar to milk such as calcium, vitamins and protein.
Microbial food culture are considered as traditional food ingredient and it also is permitted in food production. In cheese production, there are several important of the microbe throughout this process.
The importance of microbe in cheese
is demandable due to its exquisite flavors.
Moreover, cheese
Contain
nutrition,
which is boosting human health.
in addition to study
Significance of microbes
in cheese production.
flavoring, texturing,
And flavoring
Lastly, the from microbe
contributes to
different flavors. The shrinkage goes to the production of cheese.